Welcome back, everybody. I want to give a big shout out to my longtime friends at Weston. Check it out. So they've been sending me meat processing equipment for 10 years. You've seen them in lots of my videos, and they hooked me up with the motherload. This is a 10 tray digital 900 watt dehydrator. The Pro Series number 22 1.5 horsepower meat grinder. I've been using the 1 horsepower version that they sent me a decade ago. I've processed a couple thousand pounds of elk, deer, and pronghorn meat. Can't wait to get into this thing. So more power, more capacity. It's just, oh baby, this thing is heavy duty. I didn't weigh it, but it's over 50 pounds. I've been using the 5-pound vertical sausage stuffer for the last decade. They sent me the 11-pounder, and I can't wait. So all the summer sausage that I make right here. You've also been seeing me make tons, and I say tons, maybe like 7 or 8 videos with deer and pronghorn and elk crock pot roast videos, slow cooker, right? So check it out. This year they have a brand new 2-in-1. This is actually a slow cooker smoker. I can have this inside doing my roast on the countertop like I always have, but this year I can also be smoking. I can put wood chips in here on the countertop and I can smoke an elk roast. In a brand new Pro 3000 vacuum sealer, they have a brand new white design here. It's beautiful, and enough bags to seal just about anything. Hundreds of bags, anything I ever wanted to seal. And they even threw in a new tape dispenser since I asked them. You know I love to use freezer paper. I use that Weston roll holder, and I love to use that as well. So we have a lot of wild game seasons coming up here in Colorado. Coming up in a couple of weeks, my son and I will be going elk muzzleloader. We have either sex elk muzzleloader tags. I have a buck deer muzzleloader tag, Nebraska doe tags, and several other seasons on the horizon with pronghorn and deer as well. So God willing, we'll be using all this stuff this year just like we do every year. Big shout out to my friends at Weston. And if you want to see me using any of the Weston equipment, just go back into my archives. I'll try to link a few here, put some in the description down below. But I have videos on how to grind meat, how to make burger, how to make sausage, how to make summer sausage, link sausage, dehydrator jerky, all of the above in my previous versions of Weston meat processing equipment. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the wild game. Hopefully this year. We'll see what happens. Woo!